Hello and welcome back to the CodeChef platform. Today we are diving into something that your code can't live without: comparison operators. These little symbols help your program decide what's true, what's false, and who's winning the logic game. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how your code thinks when it is comparing values, and trust me, it is going to make decision making in your programs way more easier. So let's buckle up and let's jump into some logical fun.
Let's start with the introduction. Comparison or relational operators in C++ are used to compare two values or expressions. They help the program make decisions by checking relationships like equality, greater than, or less than. The result of a comparison is always either true or false, which is a Boolean value. The first type of comparison or relational operator is equal to operator, which is denoted by 2 is equal to signs. The equal to operator checks whether the value of the left-hand operand is exactly equal to the value of the right-hand operand. If both are equal, the condition returns true or 1, otherwise it returns false or 0. And let me tell you an application of the equal to operator. It is often used in conditions to verify equality. For example, checking if a password matches or if two numbers are the same. Okay, now let us go to the CodeChef platform to see an example that uses equal to operator in C++. Here, the program objective is compare student marks, and the expected output is did John and Alice score the same? Question mark and 1. Here 1 represents true, that means their marks are equal. Now let's go to the code. Hash include IOStream using namespace std semicolon, then int main. Now inside main we have declared and initialized two variables. Int marks John is equal to 85, then int marks Alice is equal to 85. So both the values are same. Then cout in double inverted commas, did John and Alice score the same? Question mark. Then we have put a condition to use the is equal to operator. In bracket, marks John is equal to, then marks Alice, and then endl semicolon. Return 0 and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Okay, so here as you can see, did John and Alice score the same? Question mark. So this is printed as it is because it was written in double inverted commas, and then we have got 1. Why? Because the result of this condition, marks John is equal to marks Alice. It is true. Both have scored 85, and that is why we have got 1. Let's suppose if their marks would have been different, then we would have got 0 in the output. Next is not equal to operator, which is denoted by exclamation mark and is equal to sign. This operator checks whether two values are not equal. So this means the value of this operator will be true if the values will be not equal. Then if they are different, it returns true. If they are same, it returns false. It is commonly used when you want an action to happen only when two values do not match. For example, verifying if user input is invalid. Now let's go to the CodeChef platform and see an example for using not equal to operator in C++. Here the program objective is compare product codes, and the expected output is are the product codes different? Question mark and 1. Coming to the code, hash include IOStream using namespace std, then int main. Now again we have initialized two variables. Int product code 1 is equal to 101 semicolon. Then int product code 2 is equal to 202 semicolon. Then cout in double inverted commas, are the product codes different question mark, and then we have applied the condition in brackets product code 1 not equal to product code 2. So first we are going to check this condition, and on the basis of the result we will be getting the output endl semicolon, then return 0 and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see what's the output. Are the product codes different question mark and 1. Why 1? Because the answer is yes, the answer is true. Next is greater than operator. The greater than operator is used to compare two values and check whether the left hand operand is strictly greater than the right hand operand. If the left value is indeed greater, the result is true, otherwise it's false. For example, A greater than B. So it returns true only if A is larger than B. Let's see an example for this greater than operator on the CodeChef platform. The program objective is compare age, and the expected output is John older than Alice question mark and 0. Coming to the code, hash include IOStream using namespace std int main. Then we have initialized two variables, int age John is equal to 25 semicolon, int age Alice is equal to 30 semicolon. Then cout in double inverted commas, is John older than Alice question mark. Then we have applied a condition, age John greater than age Alice. If this condition will be true, the compiler will return 1, and if it will be false, then we will get a 0 in output. Then endl returns 0 and the main function ends here. Let's run the program to see the output. Okay, so is John older than Alice question mark and then 0. Why 0? Because age John greater than age Alice. Is 25 greater than 30? No. So that is why we have got false in result, which is denoted by 0 in the output.
And that's how you make your code make decisions like a logical superhero. You just mastered the comparison or relational operators. Those tiny symbols that decide who's equal, who's greater, and who's not even close. Don't forget to practice using these operators on the CodeChef platform to use them like a pro. Thank you so much for watching.